Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting and educational quiz for you all about the importance of technical analysis. Quiz rules here as how it works. We have a total of 20 questions each with 4 options A, B, C, and D for every correct answer. You all earn 10 marks. And be careful because for every incorrect answer, you all lose 5 marks. If you don't know the answer, it is better to leave it, as no marks will be deducted for questions left unanswered. Alright, let us dive in once you were completed the quiz. Tally up your score to see how well you know the subject of technical analysis. If you enjoyed this quiz and found it valuable, please hit that like button. And if you're new here or haven't yet subscribed, consider hitting the subscribe button for more interesting and educational content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next